Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate or set up a new debit card on your Sofi account. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you'll have to log in into your Sofi banking account. And once you're logged in, tap on the more icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have a list of options. So from there, you'll have to tap on debit card, which is right at the bottom. After you select debit card, on the other interface, you have manage my cards. So then you'll have to tap on activate your card when it arrives. Now after you select activate your card when it arrives, on the other interface tap on next. Now you'll be asked to enter your 4-digit code of your social security number or an SSN, and once you're done entering your social security number, tap on next. Now on the other interface, you'll have to enter your card info. That includes your expiry date and your CVV number. Once you're done entering, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So once you're done providing all of your information on the other interface, you'll have to create a 4-digit PIN. So in order to confirm, you'll have to retype your PIN. And once you're done creating your PIN, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. And once you've set up your PIN on the other interface, you'll be notified that you have successfully set up your debit card or activated your debit card on Sofi account. So that is how you can set up or activate your debit card on your Sofi account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.